Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your science teacher Amanjot. In previous video, you learnt about pure substances. But now we will discuss about impure substances. Impure substances are also known as mixture. Mixture as tea is also mixture. Oil and water is also mixtures. Okay? And mixtures may contain elements, compounds or element and compounds both. Okay, these mixtures for useful for us, and some mixtures need for purifications. Okay, and there are some examples. Suppose tea is also a mixture. Okay, tea is also a mixture of water, sugar, tea leaves and milk. Same like there are more mixtures. Okay, some example like air is also mixture of element and compounds. In air there are oxygen and nitrogen is a element, and compounds are carbon dioxide and water vapors. Okay, natural water is also example of impure water. Natural water contain dissolved air, which is essential for aquatic animals. Food is also a mixture. Okay, medicine, most medicines are mixture. We know that mixture of chemicals you will find in the medicine bottle. Okay, got this point? Mixtures. Okay, next is our alloy. Alloy is also the mixture of metal with metal and metal with non-metal. Okay, mixture of metal with metal and metal with non-metal. Example, jewelry. Jewelry is not made for pure gold because pure gold is very soft. When we apply a small pressure, gold is misshapen or broken. So they use gold with silver plus copper, so they make a jewelry. Okay, and one more example, steel. Steel is not only made for iron. To make a good steel, they add small amount of carbon and manganese. Okay, there are two types of mixture. First is homogeneous substances and second is heterogeneous. Firstly, we will discuss about homogeneous substances. Homogeneous substances, a substance is homogeneous if the different parts of it have the same property and composition. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, they have same property and composition. Same property, suppose they have two elements. Okay, or two compounds. So their composition is same. Okay, circle and lines are same, they look like same, and their properties also same. They don't change their composition. Okay, and we don't see in the naked eye. This is the solution, so we don't see with the naked eye. Okay, homogeneous substance is pure substance. It cannot be seen properly easily, so it is very good substance, like a mixture of water and sugar. This is the solution. We can't see the water and sugar differently. These are properly mixed. Okay, so they have no any boundary to show it. Okay, they are fully simple. Okay, next is our heterogeneous substances. Heterogeneous substances, a substance is heterogeneous if the different part of it different in property and composition. In homogeneous, their property is same, but in heterogeneous, their properties differ and composition is also differ. Okay, suppose we take a beaker. You see that some components are in given below. they do not look like a same, so their properties also different, their composition is also differ. In the homogeneous, their composition properly same, but in heterogeneous their composition is differ. With the mixture of sand and sugar, if we mix sand and sugar, we can see properly with naked eye. Okay, but the mixture of sugar and water, we cannot see the properly sugar and water differ, but in the mixture of sand and sugar we see properly. So this is the heterogeneous substance. Okay, and if the mixture of oil and water is also the heterogeneous, and in the mixture of oil and water we see that oil's boundary in the above of the water, we see normally. Okay, oil is above in the water. Okay, this is the heterogeneous substances. That all for the day. Don't forget to make notes. Thank you for watching video.